Welcome everyone to the very first episode of Cupcake Battles. I'm Walter.
And I'm Isabella. Today, 5 teams will face off to see who can bake and decorate the best cupcake, based on taste, appearance, and today's challenge.
Good luck, teams. Let the Cupcake Battles begin.
We gotta preheat the oven first.
Bro, 350, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, hands in.
Bro, we gotta go.
Team on me, team on 3. 1, 2, 3, team.
Yeah, we gotta get these ingredients.
Come on. Flour,
Get a
baking
bowl,
powder,
please.
baking soda, salt, cinnamon, pumpkin pie spice.
Bird.
Do somebody want to take that and like get a bowl and like put it in the bowl?
Yeah, we probably should do that.
Cut out the Jenko. Addie! We've been sabotaged.
This is the espresso buttercream recipe. We're only looking at that above this line right here.
Okay, so
I'm getting a bowl out. We need a bowl. We need a bowl.
what do we have to grease it though? Like butter?
There's like the spray over there, I just said.
All right, I'll grab that.
All right, let's see here. So we gotta mix this up together, and we gotta get a different bowl.
Separate bowl.
Okay.
All right.
Is that the dry?
Wet, dry. Half a cup of canola oil.
Yeah, I'll grab that.
Wait, well, you're doing.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Oops.
So combine
Here's empty bowl.
combine flour, baking powder. Okay, the nutmeg goes in here.
Here's your 1 stick of butter.
Okay, the butter goes in this one.
I'm actually gonna crash out. This is not fun.
All right. Melted butter, vanilla extract, 2 eggs.
We made like trail mix day one.
No, I'm stressed. That
Now,
together
yeah, now I'm like
makes it-
shaking.
Probably not. No, we probably just
Wait,
have
it's only
to
supposed to be
whisk
softened. This
it.
shouldn't be melted.
There we go.
Lola, Lizzie, and William are off to a great start on the purple team.
So how are we doing the apples? Are we putting them in with the cupcakes?
Yeah, we're
Okay.
gonna do like,
A layer of batter? Okay.
yeah. You get it.
I feel like this should have liquid
It
in it.
needs butter. I just like kind of planned out like 1,000,001 things to do for this because I wanted it to be like, I want us to win, is what it is.
Now let's see what happens with Joey, Anthony, and Justin on the orange team.
We're gonna plop this nice blob of cream cheese into the ice. You want to come get a close up on this?
Yeah, right
Come
here.
Get a close. Yeah.
Right here. Get in there.
Oh yeah, get in there. Get in there. Yep. Fat blob. Oh, jiggle it, jiggle it. Oh
there we
yeah.
go, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
These look amazing so far.
The red team consists of Stella, Rachel, Gianna, and Addie. Let's go see what they're up to.
Just hold it up a little bit. Isn't physics supposed to get it out?
Centripetal force.
It's everywhere.
I tried to get as detailed as I could on the instructions.
Okay.
You wow, look at that.
Look at you go.
Okay, Rachel.
How much time is left on our apple cider reduction? Oh God. Does it look like it's reducing? Like, is there less in there? No. Okay, then that means we up the heat probably.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Sorry. We have Mr. Morley to thank for this. We should thank the camera.
Shout out Mr. Morley for telling us how to make this reduction faster. We really
It was
appreciate
gonna take
it.
45 minutes.
He got it down to 15.
Thanks, Mr. Morley.
Time now to check on Henry, Evan, Will, Bryce, and Shane, better known as the green team.
We'll be alright. We'll be fine, trust. This is not practice day. What do you mean? We're talking about some practice.
What?
Bro, this is not the way we should be. This is not like optimal, dude.
How should I do it then,
Will, this
What's good? I'm on the mic now. This is Shane Vassell. I'm carrying my team to victory.
We're gonna have some mighty fine sugary muffins.
yeah, because of you, dude.
I don't know what you're talking about. That'd be crazy, bro. If someone accidentally put all the icing sugar in the actual muffins, bro. That would be insane if someone did that.
And our final team is the blue team. Let's see what DJ, Rocco, and Aiden are baking.
No.
Yeah, that's why we need a taller bowl. That's what I was saying.
No.
That is what you're supposed to do. That's bruh.
Well.
Bro, you're fine. You got on an apron for a reason.
All right, that's fine.
That do look good. You should add some cinnamon. Just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit, not too much, because it's heavy. Oh, that's good, that's good. Just watch. What are you doing? That's a cookie scooper.
Bro, why?
You could use a cookie Dump it.
Or just use a spoon.
Dump it.
Now, when y'all dump it, it's gonna go all over the place. Watch.
So why green tea better?
Aiden, I would use a spoon or a scooper.
Rocco, dude, you told me.
That's why he's the MC.
After all the ingredients were mixed, bakers started preparing their cupcakes for the oven.
Ruining the rest of it. No, you didn't ruin it. It's okay. Addie, look at it. We're fixing it. Addie, it's okay. We could have a bigger bowl.
It's okay, girl.
We're thugging it out. Like, it's fine. It's supposed to be like that.
Come about, you improvise.
It's gonna be extra sweet.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, it might just be a little like, a little bit like, you know, like you might get like.
Don't do that.
Yeah, dog, it might be over.
Yeah, should we just not do icing?
We're doing icing, but...
We can do like 1 cup of sugar.
Dude, they're cupcakes. We can't just serve them with no icing. Like, what are we doing?
Are we sure this is enough for the 12?
Since we're layering it, it'll be fine.
Yeah, I guess.
I accidentally didn't know that there was a different type of sugar.
It's okay, Addie.
There's extra texture. There was just like so fine
Addie,
at the same time.
Can you put this? Do you want us to throw this out or put it back in?
So what? Oh, no. We can't put sugar back in the container that have butter.
I'm trying to not freak my own self out.
We're gonna be forever on YouTube talking about TikTok brain rot.
Oh, no.
So
We did not,
team better?
like, fill these up right, either.
Bryce had 1 cup.
Did you set a timer for the cupcakes in the oven?
I just how long is it?
18 minutes. Set a timer for 16 minutes.
Wait, is there already a dozen?
Oh my god, they're not even in yet.
Yeah, I was gonna say. I was gonna say, do we have 2 dozen?
Okay, perfect.
Okay, 18 minutes.
Those don't look
I don't
three
really
fourths
like
full.
the smell of
18 minutes.
It's definitely appley.
Those are good.
Wait, those are good.
Oh, our timer's done.
All right. Probably check this thing.
Is it bad?
It's bad, gang. I ain't gonna lie.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Are you gonna grab it with your bare hand?
Like what?
Dude, they're still liquid. Like, do I put it back in? Put it back in? Like, it's over. Like, it's done.
Our cup. He has risen, baby girl. Well, he's gonna have to use this footage, so here's our audio. Go see Deadpool Wolverine. Yes, Hugh Jackman.
Yeah, we don't need to check it, bro.
Oh, it's in here, yeah. All right, we gotta save that for tomorrow. We gotta save the frosting for tomorrow.
They're cooked. They're good.
Hey, Will, just look at these.
Hey, wait, what do you think of these?
Yeah, just look at this.
So, who's doing oh, we got a rock, paper, scissors for the dishes. So this is what we do for the dishes, everybody.
Oh, yeah, hold on, I got it. Wait, not yet. So basically, every time we cook, we all do a 4-way rock, paper, scissors to see who does the dishes. Because no one wants to do the dishes ever.
Yeah.
After cupcakes were removed from the oven and cooled, it was time for decorating.
All right, here, let's pick the 4 best. I think this one's definitely one of the best. And then this one. Yeah, that one.
I have an idea. Do you want to do like those 5 themes?
All right. Oh, all right, now we gotta squeeze it down.
Make sure you get it down in there. Like, don't get any on the top.
So let me put 3 cups of icing sugar in the batter.
I didn't know.
Because I was watching a YouTube video. They stick the, what's called on the inside.
Oh, you want to do like a filling?
Like a just a small filling.
It's okay, we have 30 minutes.
Push it down with it. Yes, it is. It's going down.
Okay, well, can we change the tip of it?
We're changing the tip.
I will eat this probably.
So we have to get a new tip here, everybody.
Okay, here, I'll rotate it.
My Grammy taught me. Shout out Grandma.
Shout out to Rossi Grandma.
Shout out Lucy. I love you.
Look. Now we got a full cupcake.
No, not all the way in.
What? That's not all the way. How? That's not all the way. That's fine. And then just squeeze. All right, now pull it up. Wait, I feel like it didn't get. Dude. Bro, none came out.
Hold on, can you hold it there?
Yeah. I mean, you can do it like this, and then you just.
Oh. I've never used a piping
okay.
bag like this before.
Ain't you shaking there, buddy?
You actually have to squeeze very hard. He was right.
It does matter how it looks, though. We do get graded on it.
Yeah, we do. We are based on the looks too.
A third of the points are the looks.
And then we can refill it when it gets low as well.
Not great, but that's fine.
No, that's okay. That one's good.
Oh, guys, why am I a baker?
Okay, wait.
Let me try one.
I don't even make cupcakes.
Yeah, but no one actually makes cupcakes.
Nobody makes cupcakes.
Unless you're like 50 years old plus.
I might make a cake.
My Dukes. I love my mom.
Same.
Mama the goat.
Mama is the goat.
For real. They look like churros.
Churros?
It's not as smooth. You should have heated it up.
Why is there blue in our icing?
I don't see any blue.
It's okay because they're supposed to be sticky. It's caramel. We're literally working with caramel. What do they expect?
See, that looks cute.
That looks cute.
Yeah.
Comparison is a thief of joy. Don't compare your cupcake.
Can we start eating the icing? At what point do we get to start eating icing?
Oh my, you know what? Done. No, just don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. No. It's done.
No.
No, DJ.
Bro, it's fine, Aiden. Calm down.
That looks so cute.
No, not sticking up like that. We have to have it like at an angle, like something like that.
Okay.
No. See, now it just looks so dumb.
No, it doesn't.
No, it does.
Okay, wait. Let me see a candy corn.
They gonna say it's funny and it's cute. Watch. Watch.
I'd rather have them say
Sticking up, I don't like. Okay.
I'd rather
I
have
think
them
like chilling on the side like that. I think I like that.
I think it looks amateur.
Bro, we are amateurs, bro.
It's fine, bro.
Do one more.
After all cupcakes were decorated, the judges were ready to give our cupcakes a taste. First up, we have the blue team. Please tell the judges what you've created.
We have created a pumpkin spice with espresso, latte, buttercream cupcake with some little frosting or things on top and some candy corn. Hope y'all like it.
It's very nice. You can definitely taste the espresso in there. Gives it a little kick.
It's very dense and moist. It's good.
All right, green team, could you please explain to the judges what you did here?
We made a pumpkin spice cinnamon cupcake with cinnamon icing. That's about it.
You said there was cinnamon in the icing? It's definitely a cream cheese icing. I taste that.
Oh yeah, and some of that.
Very rich.
It is very rich.
Now up, we have the red team. Would you like to explain to the judges how your cupcake is?
Yeah, so we made an apple cider cupcake with an apple cider buttercream topped with caramel drizzle and cinnamon sugar.
And the crunch of the cinnamon sugar is just fantastic.
Thank you.
The caramel drizzle is a nice touch on the top.
All right, orange team, could you please explain what's inside your cupcake?
All right, it's a pumpkin cinnamon spice cupcake with cream cheese and butter frosting on top.
I like the placement of the ghost on top.
Very pretty.
It's a good balance between the pumpkin and the amount of cream cheese and icing.
Great flavor of the cupcake. Really beautiful.
And finally, here's the purple team. What kind of cupcake did you guys make?
Today, our team made a apple crumble inspired cupcake with salted caramel frosting on the top and a little bit of crumb topping with some apple pie filling in the inside and on the top as well.
I really like the presentation.
Great texture and really nice balance of different flavors.
I agree, it's a very good balance.
It's good. Very good.
It's like a little surprise in there.
Thank you.
All right, let's listen in to hear what the judges thought of today's cupcakes.
Orange and purple both were just beautiful, but I really love the surprise of blue with the coffee and the pumpkin. So I'm having a hard time deciding. How are you guys doing?
I agree. The caramel drizzle on the red cupcake was great. And the presentation with a little ghost on top for orange was pretty cool too. I personally like purple. I thought the apple surprise in the middle was pretty cool.
Really hard to make the decision.
It really is.
Do we think we have a winner?
The judges have decided.
And the winner of Cupcake Battles is...
The purple team.
Congratulations, purple team. I'm Isabella.
And I'm Walter, signing off. Thanks for watching.
Cut the cameras, Liam. No.
I think we need like a bloopers of just me and Joey talking this entire time.
Don't watch this far. Go away.
Shout out to Kareem Hunt this week for getting me 2 touchdowns on fantasy.
Hi guys, welcome back to our ASMR channel.
It's Addie Squared at Cooking.
We are eyeballing the sugar.
Hi, Addie.
Ken, give us a thumbs up.
Ken. Bro, their muffins are like, they look like holes into another dimension, bro. They're terrible.
Yo.
What's so the judges are gonna have to... All right, dog. What's taking
Guys, stop.
I mean, I'm assuming like 90% of what we've been saying is going to be edited. 100%.
Like you're not gonna have the whole 60-minute clip on YouTube?
Liam, can we do ASMR for you? Okay, we need to put this. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
It was the oven's fault that happened.
Yeah, exactly.